Possible pa bang mag-dip pag nag-cut ng rates? Ito kanina kino-contemplate ko. Rate cuts, September, ini-expect ng a lot of analysts are expecting it. Pagka nag-rate cut po ito, sabi ko kahapon, most likely if we enter recession, rate cut po yan, i-reset nila to zero, almost zero again, yung interest rate para mabuhay ulit yung economy. Ang ayaw ko lang is magkaroon ng emergency rate cut. Yung wala sa hulog, not planned. Bigla na lang sasabihin ng Federal Reserve, oh, we need to intervene because the stock market is crashing. Emergency meeting tayo this August. Tapos biglang rate cut. That will not help solve the panic. That will create more panic. Why? Kasi po, ang magiging sentiment ng mga investors, hindi alam ng Fed yung ginagawa niya. Late in the game na naman si Fed. Nagpapanik si Fed. Tuloy-tuloy tayo sa crash. So, yan yung ayaw natin mangyari. Yung emergency rate cut. Okay na tayo, September, konti na lang naman eh. Antayin mo na yan, Chairman Jerome. Yung ina-expect ng tao, yun ibigay mo. Hayaan mo mag-dip yung market. Para ma-flash. Kasi pag nag-emergency to, most likely, papangit lalo yung sentiment eh. Okay? Yung mga emergency na ganyan eh. Gusto natin, steady lang. Alam na ng market na magre-rate cut. So, pagka nangyari yon at mababa yung presyo, most likely, we're gonna pump. Baka nga, hindi pa lang nagmi-meeting, umaakyat na tayo eh. Hindi pa ina-announce yung rate cut, umaakyat na tayo eh.